Holmes, I found the most impossible fact. Turns out every map ever created is wrong. Elementary, my dear Watson. You are aware of Gaussian curvature, are you not? Cauchy curvature? Gaussian curvature. It is an intrinsic measure of the curvature of a surface. It is an inherent property of any surface, like how mass is an inherent property of any matter. Any point on a surface has infinite curvatures. The maximum and minimum curvatures are the principal curvatures, and their product gives us the Gaussian curvature of the surface at that point. But what does Gaussian curvature have to do with maps? Well, for that we need the remarkable theorem. It states that the Gaussian curvature of a surface is an intrinsic invariant, which means that it does not change when distance-preserving deformations are applied to the surface. Let's look at this with my lunch. A pizza slice is a flat surface and hence has zero curvature. When I hold it up at the edge, due to forces acting on the pizza, the front sags down. So here there's a positive curvature, but look here, there's a zero curvature. So the Gaussian curvature is zero. The sagging of the slice is a distance-preserving deformation, so its Gaussian curvature does not change. Coming back to mapping the Earth is a sphere with a constant positive Gaussian curvature everywhere, while a map is flat with zero curvature. These two surfaces have different Gaussian curvatures, so there is no distance-preserving deformation that can project the Earth onto the flat surface. It means that there is no way to preserve distances on a map after projection, and that is why every map ever made is wrong. Where did you get that moving picture pad? That's a story for another day.